Hello and welcome back to Pontis Financial. I'm your host, and if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our weekly updates on UK business finance. Now, with the Bank of England base rate still sitting above 5%, many business owners are asking the same question. How do we fund the equipment and vehicles we need without tying up precious working capital? That's exactly where commercial asset finance comes in. And today I'm going to show you the current state of the UK market and precisely how Pontis Financial can help you raise the capital you need quickly and cost-effectively. But before we look at the numbers, let's quickly clarify what asset finance actually is and why it's become so popular with British firms. Commercial asset finance lets companies acquire lorries, plant, machinery, medical equipment or technology through hire purchase, finance leases or operating leases. You get the asset straight away, spread the cost over its useful life, and often keep the tax advantages. According to the Finance and Leasing Association, new asset finance business in the UK reached £29.4 billion in the 12 months to March 2024, up 11% on the previous year. That's more than 280,000 individual agreements, and SMEs accounted for roughly two-thirds of the total volume. The key advantage for UK businesses is cash flow preservation. Instead of paying £180,000 upfront for a new CNC machine, you might pay £3,200 a month over 5 years, freeing up capital for wages, stock and marketing. On top of that, you can usually claim the full annual investment allowance in year one, even though you haven't laid out the cash. So the market is clearly growing, yet many owner-managers still struggle to find the right lender or structure. That's where we come in. At Pontis Financial, we act as an independent broker with access to more than 40 lenders across the high street banks, specialist asset funders and private debt funds. Whether you need £50,000 for a fleet of electric vans or £2 million for a new production line, we structure the deal to match your cash flow profile and tax position. Our in-house credit team can often secure approvals within 48 hours, and because we're not tied to one funder, we can shop the market to secure the lowest rate, currently averaging 6.4% for good quality credit in the mid-market. I'll give you a real example in just a moment. But first, a quick word for anyone watching who hasn't subscribed yet. Please do so now so you catch our next video on R&D tax credits, which pairs very nicely with asset finance. Take a Midlands-based food manufacturer we helped last quarter. They needed £420,000 for a new packaging line. Their bank offered 7.9% over 4 years. We introduced 3 alternative funders and secured 6.1% with a balloon payment at the end, saving them £38,000 in interest and keeping monthly outgoings under £8,500. The asset was delivered within 6 weeks and they claimed the full annual investment allowance immediately. Whether you're looking to replace aging HGVs ahead of the 2030 clean air targets, upgrade your IT infrastructure, or expand a medical practice, the process with Pontis is straightforward. We'll review your requirements, run a soft credit search, present you with 3 tailored options, and handle the paperwork from offer through to drawdown. If you'd like to explore what's possible for your business, the link in the description takes you straight to our website. Then, add your details and one of our directors will call you within 4 working hours. So, that's all for today. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with a fellow director, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're first to see our next update on UK commercial and bridging finance. Until then, stay sharp and keep growing.